Have you ever wondered what's inside a PVC post in today's market? Absolutely nothing. Now compare that to our Elite PVC Post. It's completely honeycomb structure, much stronger. This is the PVC that is sold at 99% of all the stores out there. It's a 5x5 hollow post with a normal rail and a U-channel. Our product is completely different, much stronger. As you can see, it's not hollow. It's a honeycomb groove. It has our rails, our pickets, and there's no U-channel. If you would like to make it even stronger, then there's an optional, have a 2-inch pipe that we can slide into our post and makes it much stronger. We basically offer 2 types of fences. There's the vertical fence and we have the horizontal fence. We have a wide range of 9 colors, anywhere from white all the way to black. We have offices in Miami and Palm Coast, and you can reach us at www.elitepvcus.com.